We have a massive amount of blackberries growing in our backyard. So many that they're starting to go into our neighbor's yard, so we'll have to do something about that. But I wanted a super easy, wholesome, and filling meal to make with this surplus of blackberries. This recipe meets the mark. You really just mix, dump, and bake. In a large mixing bowl, combine all the ingredients except the blackberries. This includes old-fashioned oats, ground flaxseed, cinnamon, milk, yogurt, salt, maple syrup, and vanilla. Stir until well combined. Set some of the blackberries aside to top the mixture prior to baking. Then gently fold in the rest of the blackberries. Spread the mixture in the baking pan and then top with additional blackberries. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes. You want the center to be set and the edges to start to turn a golden brown. Once it's done, allow it to cool for a few minutes. You can even top with additional blackberries or maple syrup. We eat this for a breakfast, snack, or really any time of the day. My kids love this recipe too. They oftentimes will ask for seconds. You can use fresh or frozen blackberries, and you can easily swap the fruit as well. Strawberries or blueberries are super tasty options. Enjoy every bite and follow along for more delicious eggless recipes.